What if you could dodge the million-dollar mistakes that broke even the legendary Jesse Livermore? Will you learn from his pain to build your fortune, or repeat the errors that crushed a giant? The market is a beast. It gives riches to the wise and ruin to the reckless. You're a beginner. Eyes wide, dreams big. But the path is littered with traps. Jesse Livermore, the boy plunger, the great bear of Wall Street, made millions shorting the 1929 crash, but lost fortunes too. His mistakes cost him millions, even his life in the end. This 1,000-word speech is your shield, inspired by Livermore's bold vision, relentless discipline, and hard-learned lessons. It's not about quick wins. It's about avoiding the pitfalls that destroy traders and building the skills to thrive. Let's uncover Livermore's 10 most expensive mistakes and how you can sidestep them to conquer the markets. Mistake 1. Trading without a plan. Livermore early on chased hunches, bet big on whims, lost everything. You can't trade on gut alone. Build a system, simple rules. You follow every time. Maybe buy when a stock breaks its 50-day high, sell when it drops below. Consistency is your anchor. Without a plan, you're gambling, not trading. Start with trend, following use, moving averages free on any charting app. Test it in a demo account. Practice until it's second nature. Your system keeps you steady when the market screams chaos. Mistake 2. Ignoring risk management. Livermore bet his entire account on single trades, went bankrupt multiple times. Never risk more than 1 or 2% of your capital on a trade. Set a small fund, a few $100s. Not your rent, not your groceries. Money you can lose without panic. Risk management is your lifeline. Lose small, stay alive. Lose big, you're out. Use stop-loss orders. Set them before every trade. They cut losses automatically. Livermore learned this too late. You don't have to. Mistake 3. Overtrading. Livermore traded too often, chasing action, not opportunity. The market doesn't reward busyness. It rewards precision. Don't trade every day. Wait for your system's signal. When it says buy, you buy. When it says sell, you sell. Until then, do nothing. Patience is your edge. Overtrading burns capital and focus. Pick one market: stocks, Forex, crypto. Focus deep. Don't spread yourself thin. Livermore's millions came from waiting. You can wait too. Mistake 4. Letting emotions rule. Fear made Livermore sell too soon. Greed made him hold too long. Emotions are your enemy. Before every trade, ask, why am I doing this? Is it my system or my heart? Stick to your rules. Livermore said, the market is never wrong, but opinions often are. Keep a trading journal. Write every trade, every win, every loss. It shows when emotions sneak and control them, or they'll control you. Mistake 5. Ignoring the crowd's power. Markets move on fear and greed. Livermore learned to watch the crowd, not follow it. In 1929, he shorted when everyone was bullish, made millions. You don't always go against the crowd, but understand them. Check X, check news. See what's trending. When everyone hypes a stock, be skeptical. When they panic, look for bargains. The crowd shows you signals, but don't let it pull you in. Mistake 6. Neglecting preparation. Livermore lost when he traded blind, didn't study. The market's mood. Preparation is your edge. Check news, daily earnings reports, economic data, geopolitics. These move prices. A Fed rate hike, a tech giant's earnings. Miss. These are your signals. Livermore studied ticker tapes. You have charts. Apps, use them. Learn candlesticks. Support, resistance. They show where prices pause or reverse. Unprepared traders lose. Prepared traders win. Mistake 7. Chasing hot tips. Livermore burned millions following rumors. Tips are noise. not truth. Don't chase what's hot on X or in forums. Do your own work. Pick a market, study its moves. Maybe tech stocks like Apple, read their reports. See what drives prices. Your analysis is your power. Tips lead to traps. Livermore learned to trust his own eyes. You must too. Mistake 8. Failing to learn from losses. Livermore's bankruptcies came from ignoring mistakes. Losses aren't failure. They're lessons. When you lose, ask, why did I enter this trade? Did I follow my rules? Was I greedy, scared record? Every loss in your journal. Analyze it like a scientist. Livermore's losses built his 1929 fortune because he studied them. Your losses can build your edge if you learn. Mistake 9, overleveraging. Livermore borrowed heavily to trade. Big wins were huge, but losses wiped him out. Leverage amplifies gains and pain. As a beginner, avoid it. Start small, trade with your own capital. A few $100s in a demo account, practice without debt when you're consistent. Then scale up slowly. Livermore's leverage crushed him. Don't let it crush you. Mistake 10. Losing sight of why Livermore traded for ego at times, not purpose. Pride led to reckless bets. Why do you trade freedom, security? The thrill, hold that reason tight. It's your anchor when the market tests you, when you lose, when you doubt. Remind yourself why you started. It keeps you grounded. Livermore lost his why, and it cost him everything. You can keep yours. These mistakes cost Livermore millions, but they're your opportunity. You don't need his genius. You need his lessons. Start small. Pick a market, stocks, Forex, crypto, study its moves daily. Open a charting app, watch prices, see how they shift with news, a jobs report, a tweet, a central bank move. Train your eyes to spot patterns. Livermore watched ticker tapes. You have better tools, use them. Build a simple system, trend. Following works by. When prices rise, sell when they fall. Use moving averages, keep it clean. Don't clutter with indicators. Discipline is your fortress. Write your rules. Never risk more than 1 or 2% per trade. Use stop losses practice in a demo account. Lose fake money, learn real lessons, keep a journal. Every trade, every mistake, every win record, it shows your growth. Patience is your weapon. Wait for your signal. Don't chase action. The market doesn't care about your schedule. It rewards those who wait. The crowd is your guide and your trap. When everyone buys, prices soar. When they sell, prices crash. Watch X. See what's trending, but don't follow blindly. When everyone's hyping a stock, be wary when they panic. Look for deals. Emotions are your foe. Fear makes you sell early. Greed makes you hold too long before every trade. Ask, is this my system or my heart? Stick to your rules. Tools are simple. A laptop, a free charting app, candlesticks, support, resistance, moving averages. These show the market's pulse. Preparation is your confidence check. News, know what's coming. Earnings, geopolitics. These move markets. Community helps, trading is lonely. Join forums, follow traders on X, but filter noise. Focus on those who talk, process, not profits. Scale up slowly. Your goal is to survive. Learn consistency comes first, then add capital. Stay humble. Livermore lost when he got cocky. Trading is a marathon every day. You show up, you learn, you trade. You review. You grow your why. Keeps you going. Freedom, security. The thrill. Hold it tight. The market changes, crypto, AI, global shifts, but human nature stays. Fear, greed patterns. You're a beginner but not stuck. Learn today's markets, embrace their chaos. Fear is your enemy. Livermore faced it daily but acted trust. Your system, your preparation. Every trade is a step. Losses. Teach, wins, build. You're not Livermore yet, but you're building the trader. You'll become. Start now. Pick a market study. Build your system. Lose small win. Big keep learning. The market is your teacher, your battlefield, your chance. Will you answer? Avoid the abyss, rise to riches one trade at a time.